J science, where a bunch of science happens.
Science! JD science!
Alright guys, this is the elephant's toothpaste experiment. So this is what you're gonna need. Dish soap right here. Yeast. There's a fly. Get that out of the video. And I got hydrogen peroxide right here. And the yeast is already mixed into the warm water. Mix this. Put some of their hydrogen peroxide in here. Now, get your dish soap. Mix that up. Looks like coffee. Looks like vanilla milk. So you get this in. And it's a cool color. Just mix it in. Here. Look at that happens. Ooh. Hopefully don't overflow. Oh my gosh. It's overflowing. Oh my gosh. It's overflowing. Whoa. Elephant's toothpaste. Oh my gosh. But you can see, it really is warm. But anyways, hopefully you like this video. Subscribe. That'd be nice. And you might see my channel name on some cars. So, anyways, bye.